To filter calls on the recent list to show rejected calls only on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app. Tap the recent tabs. Tap the filter icon above the recent list. Select rejected calls. And then tap OK button. By doing this, the recent list will show rejected calls only, either those calls rejected manually by you or those calls rejected automatically by your phone. However, this filter only affects temporarily because when you close the phone app, the filter will reset and the recent list will display all calls again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.